Hi, everybody. Let's look at how we make a copy of something. If you want to make a copy of a Google Slide or a Google Doc or a Google Sheet, here we have the Senior Scrapbook digital template. If you want to make a copy of something, you click File, Make a Copy. You can copy entire presentation or selected slides. Let's make a copy of the entire presentation. Now, the default name will be copy of whatever it is that you're doing. So you'll have to replace that. I recommend taking your last name and hooking it to the document. So now it's a Senior Scrapbook digital template, La Liberté. You don't have to share it with the same people. You don't have to copy comments or anything, but you can select where on your Google Drive you want it to go. So if you have an English folder, for me, you can. So you would click where you want it to go and you would select a file there. When you're done, you click OK and it'll load your copy. So the copy that we had here, this copy cannot be edited because it's the master copy, but the copy that you make can be edited completely. And that is how you make a copy.